Mattress bags. Types, materials, and benefits. The content of this video takes an in-depth look at mattress bags. You will learn more about topics such as: what is a mattress bag? Materials used to make mattress bags. Types of mattress bags. Benefits of mattress bags. How to choose a mattress bag. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a mattress bag? Chapter 2. What materials are used to make mattress bags? Mattress bag materials. Polyurethane material. Polypropylene materials. Polyethylene or polyethylene. Vinyl, polyvinyl chloride. Cotton canvas. Chapter 3. What are the uses of a mattress bag? How to use a mattress bag. Mattress protection. Bed preparation. Drying a mattress. Placing the mattress in the mattress bag. Moving equipment. One-person mattress bag packing. Frequently asked questions. What materials are commonly used for mattress bags? How does a mattress bag protect my mattress during moving or storage? What features should I look for in a high-quality mattress bag? Can I pack a mattress into a mattress bag by myself? Are there eco-friendly options for mattress bags? How do I prepare my mattress for local storage in a self-storage facility? Chapter 4. What are the different types of mattress bags? Mattress bag types. Zipper mattress bags. Waterproof mattress bag. Velcro sealed bags. Lightweight mattress bags. Features of mattress storage bags. Gussets. Handles. Air vents. Adhesive. Mattress bag sizes. Chapter 5. How to choose a mattress bag. Choosing a mattress bag. Bag size. Mattress bag price. Ceiling mattress bags. Bag handles. Mattress bag materials. Chapter 6. What are the benefits of using a mattress bag? Mattress bag benefits. Mattress protection. Protection from damage. Good condition. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right mattress bag manufacturers for your needs.